In the vast landscape of human sexuality, bisexuality stands as a unique and dynamic experience. Individuals who identify on the bisexual spectrum possess a beautiful fluidity in their attractions, capable of forming deep connections with both genders. Yet finding others who share this multifaceted identity can sometimes feel like an elusive quest. The journey to connect with like-minded individuals is one that holds immense significance within the context of bisexuality. For those identifying as bisexual, encounters with misunderstanding or erasure are sadly not uncommon. Society often fails to recognize the validity and complexity of being attracted to more than one gender. This lack of acknowledgement can lead to feelings of isolation and frustration when attempting to forge meaningful relationships. Navigating these challenges serves as a powerful reminder that connecting with other bisexual individuals is not just desirable. It becomes an essential step towards self-acceptance, support, and community engagement. So how do we find our fellow travelers along this intricate path? How can we break through barriers created by societal biases and discover a space where acceptance prevails? In this video, we will delve into practical strategies and explore various platforms that can help you find other bisexual people, whether it be for dating, friendship, or community engagement. From virtual communities to local meetups and supportive organizations dedicated specifically to bisexuality advocacy, there is hope for connection amidst even the most desolate landscapes. Join us as we embark on a journey together, discovering new avenues for meeting fellow bisexual individuals, learning from those who have walked similar paths, challenging societal norms, finding solace in shared experiences, celebrating diverse identities, all while nurturing an empowering network that embraces every facet of your being. Let's uncover fresh insights, overcome obstacles, and celebrate the beauty in forging connections with others who understand firsthand what it means to walk boldly along the ever-changing horizon of bisexuality. Self-acceptance is a crucial first step in building the confidence to reach out and connect with other like-minded individuals. Embracing your own identity without fear of judgment or discrimination is essential for forming meaningful connections. It's important to recognize that there is no right way to be bisexual. Every individual's experience and expression of their sexuality are valid. One way to embrace your identity confidently is by surrounding yourself with supportive people who understand and affirm your bisexuality. Seek out LGBTQ+ support groups, both online and offline, where you can share your thoughts and feelings in a safe space. Connecting with others who have gone through similar experiences can help validate your own feelings and provide invaluable advice on navigating the challenges faced by those identifying as bisexual. In addition to seeking community support, practicing self-care activities can also boost confidence. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Whether it's exercising, pursuing hobbies or interests, or simply taking time for self-reflection. By focusing on personal growth and well-being, you'll develop a stronger sense of self-assurance that will radiate when connecting with others. Remember that embracing one's own unique journey towards self-acceptance takes time. It's not something that happens overnight. Be patient with yourself and set realistic expectations. Building confidence is an ongoing process, but by prioritizing self-acceptance and exploring strategies for building connections within the bisexual community, you're setting yourself up for positive experiences moving forward. One effective strategy for meeting other bisexual individuals is to attend networking events and meetups within your local LGBTQ communities. These events provide a unique opportunity to connect with like-minded people in a safe and inclusive environment. By participating, you can not only build new friendships, but also gain access to valuable resources and support systems. To find these events, start by exploring online platforms that specialize in listing LGBTQ community gatherings. Websites such as meetup.com or LGBT Center's event calendars often feature local networking opportunities. Additionally, social media groups dedicated to the queer community might share details about upcoming meetups in your area. Offline resources are equally important when it comes to discovering relevant gatherings. Local newspapers or magazines frequently showcase announcements for LGBTQ events, including mixers specifically designed for bisexual individuals. Don't forget to inquire at LGBTQ centers or organizations if they have any scheduled activities catered towards building connections among the bisexual community. Attending networking events allows you not only to explore potential dating options, but also enables you accessibly engage within your wider queer circle of friends while gaining insight into shared experiences and perspectives, a crucial aspect of personal growth on your journey towards self-acceptance as a bisexual individual. In today's digital age, online platforms and apps have revolutionized the way we connect with others, including those within the bisexual community. There are several popular social media platforms that have specific groups or communities catering to individuals who identify as bisexual. These virtual spaces provide a safe and inclusive environment where people can connect, share experiences, and offer support. One of the advantages of these online platforms is their wide reach. They allow users from all over the world to come together and form connections based on shared interests and identity. Whether it's a forum dedicated to discussing bisexuality or a chat room where people can freely express themselves, these online spaces provide an avenue for individuals to find like-minded people without geographical limitations. Additionally, these platforms also foster anonymity for those who may still be exploring their sexual orientation or hesitant about disclosing it openly. The ability to create an account using a pseudonym allows users to maintain privacy while being part of supportive communities. This level of comfort encourages open conversations about personal experiences related to bisexuality that might not be possible in face-to-face interactions. In conclusion, online platforms and apps offer valuable opportunities for bi individuals seeking connections within their community. They serve as powerful tools that bring people together through shared experiences, regardless of physical distance or concerns about judgment or stigma associated with sexuality. With various forums and chat rooms available on popular social media sites catering specifically towards this audience demographic, there is no shortage of virtual spaces waiting for them to explore and find solace in. Knowing they are not alone in their journey towards self-discovery, as well as connecting with others who understand them on this unique level. One of the most effective ways to connect with other bisexual individuals is by joining LGBTQ organizations that offer support groups or community engagement opportunities. These organizations create safe spaces for people of all sexual identities and orientations, offering a sense of belonging and understanding. Engaging with these organizations can provide numerous benefits. First and foremost, it offers an opportunity to meet like-minded individuals who share similar experiences and concerns. Being part of a supportive community can help mitigate feelings of isolation or alienation that many bisexual individuals may experience. Furthermore, LGBTQ organizations often organize events, workshops, and social gatherings where members can network and form lasting connections. Whether it's participating in panel discussions on bisexuality or attending group outings, these activities foster an environment where personal growth is encouraged while forging new friendships along the way. It's also worth mentioning that many of these organizations have online communities or forums where people can engage in discussions even if they are not able to attend physical meetings. By joining LGBTQ organizations, one not only gains access to valuable resources but also expands their social circle in a meaningful way. It cultivates a sense of empowerment, allowing bisexual individuals to thrive within a supportive community that understands their unique journey towards self-acceptance and celebrates all aspects of their identity. When it comes to connecting with other bisexual individuals, exploring local resources and communities can be a valuable starting point. Advocacy groups, community centers, and nonprofit organizations focused on supporting the bisexual community often offer opportunities for face-to-face connections within a local context. These spaces provide a sense of belonging and understanding that can be difficult to find elsewhere. By actively seeking out these local resources, you not only have the chance to connect with other like-minded people, but also gain access to a support network that understands the unique challenges faced by those identifying as bisexual. Local advocacy groups often organize events such as workshops, discussion panels, or social gatherings specifically catered towards providing a safe space for individuals from diverse sexual orientations. Community centers dedicated to LGBTQ+ issues may also host regular meetups or programs designed for supporting those who identify as bisexual. Attending these events not only allows you to find potential friends or partners, but also provides an opportunity for personal growth through learning from shared experiences and building resilience together. Enriching your life through engaging with local resources is all about taking small steps and reaching out to others locally who share your journey. Whether it's joining a book club organized by an LGBTQ+ center, attending meetings at your city's queer resource center, or volunteering at events organized by advocacy groups, each interaction has the potential of creating meaningful connections while positively impacting both your own life and those around you. Remember, there is strength in numbers when it comes to finding support and camaraderie on this path. So don't hesitate to take advantage of what your local community has to offer. It might just be the first step towards discovering lifelong friendships or even love within the vibrant world of bisexuality.